Hey guys, I'm Adam Reynolds, captain of the Brisbane Broncos, and this is Pro Plaster. The Pro Plaster journey starts right here in manufacturing, where the Pro Plaster products you know and love are imagined, formulated and created. We do this through continuous research and development to get the best products that we know can do the job and do it well. Now it's time to head over to our mates at the warehouse. You guys ready over there?
Got it, thanks Adam. Here in the warehouse, we take care of our products after manufacturing. Before long, we pack them up and get them over to our distribution centres. Here, your ball guys.
Nice pass, mate. We're here at the distribution centre where all the magic happens. Here is where we get all the products ready to send out to our trade centres, distributors, to be sold on to our loyal customers. Are you ready, mate?
Cheers, mate. Our trade stores and distribution partners specialise in the tradesman's success. From compounds and sundries to automatic tools and hand tools, we have everything the plasterer needs. Not only are we in store, but we're also online with our e-commerce store. Ready for this one, Adam?
Rip a throw, mate. From manufacturing all the way through to retail and e-commerce, Pro Plaster is backed by a team that keeps the ball moving up the field and scoring tries. I'm Adam Reynolds, and this is my team, Pro Plaster.